Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, let's talk about a common problem that you may encounter while working with Django models. The problem arises when trying to update an existing record in your database. You may have noticed an integrity error with a message saying that the unique constraint failed for the ID field of your model. This can be frustrating, especially when creating new records works perfectly fine. Now, let's dive into the solution for this issue. The key here is to adjust the save method in your model. By removing the self parameter from the super call, you can ensure that the update operation runs smoothly without causing conflicts. This simple adjustment can prevent the unique constraint error from occurring when updating records. In summary, by making this small tweak in your save method, you can avoid the integrity error and successfully update existing records in your Django application. I hope this solution helps you resolve any issues you may be facing with updating records in your database. Well, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Remember, coding is fun when things work smoothly. Until next time, happy coding.